Hi everybody, this video is part one of the budget roll-off roof shed observatory build video. Today I'm going to start the construction of the Aero Select 5 by 6 foot metal shed. I'm going to frame it up and get it all put together as much as I can today, and yeah, we're going to see how it goes. So stay tuned for the build of this observatory. Can't wait. So stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna do some time lapses and talk through some of the steps, and yeah, should be great. Stay tuned. My name's Trevor and you're watching Astropilot. Alright, so I have the shed mostly completed. All the walls are up, just not including the roof. This is going to be a multi-video long series of building this small little compact observatory, roll-off roof observatory. So I'll show you what I've got done so far. Next step is going to be constructing the roof frame for the modification for the roll-off roof. So I've got some lumber here I'm going to cut and frame up the roof with today, and then we can start to pour the concrete base, the 6x5 foot concrete slab where the observatory is going to go. So yeah. So here is the roof assembly so far. These white panels here is the sheet metal for the roof itself, so that's the roof. Here is the roof gables and frame here. I couldn't assemble it via the instructions because due to what I'm doing, you'd have to attach the roof directly to the shed, which is right over there. I'll show you that in a bit. That is not where it's going to be, but got some 2x4s here. I'm going to use that to form up the concrete slab and then reutilize those later for the roll-off structure. And these 1x3 boards is going to be the square frame that I'm going to use to square up the roof completely, and then put some caster wheels on there when I get them. So yeah, that is the progress so far. I'll take you over here and show you what we've got done. And this is the shed. This is a 6x5 foot Aero Select steel shed. It's got a lockable handle on it. It's really nice quality, actually. I got a nice deal on it. They did have a 6x7 foot, but it was like $50 shipping, and if I needed to return it, I didn't want to lose $50. So I went with the 6x5. All the measurements worked out, and it just fits. It's just big enough to fit all my equipment, like the RC6 and everything. So it's a tight squeeze, but it works just fine so far. I'm still not sure on the orientation I'm going to put this shed at, because that is north right there. So I've fit it both ways with the tripod in there and everything. They're very similar, but I still have to make my mind up which orientation I want the shed in. Either the door facing east or the door facing this way. Since it's not a complete square inside, I'll show you guys. So here it is. It's just a steel shed. Looks like vinyl siding on the outside, but it's all metal. It's all screwed in. Pretty nice door assembly. Once you get it all framed up, it's pretty solid. Nice latch on it. Then it's just all metal, nice framing. It's relatively sturdy. It's lightweight, but I will be anchoring it to the concrete once we have it set. And yeah, the roof, it's 6 foot tall walls, and so it's not too tall for the telescope. The telescope will actually be sticking out of the top once it's like up in its home position. But it's not a bad shed. I'm really happy with it so far, and I'm just super excited to see how this is going to go. So the fun part is about to start with the whole roll-off roof assembly, but we're going to try to get the concrete poured sometime this week. Then we can set it over there and get it anchored down and start actually putting it together. But yeah, this is my first journey into building a observatory, and hope you guys really like this. It's a huge step into astrophotography, and it's going to enhance my ability to capture stuff, and it'll make it so much easier versus having to come out every night and set up and re-tear down your rig and reset up. But yeah, really super excited to see how this goes. So just keep on following along. within the next couple weeks, I'll have multiple videos out on this. So, yeah, stay tuned for future videos in the next couple weeks on this metal shed observatory build. So, until next time, thank you for watching Astro Pilot, and clear skies.